Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into the Google account that stores photos. Make sure two-step verification is on for safety. Once signed in, open Google Photos or enable cloud storage APIs if you'll search programmatically. Make sure you've granted necessary permissions and, if using SDK, authenticated with G-Cloud Auth login so tools can access your files. This step gets credentials and access ready. It prevents permission errors later and streamlines the rest of the process. Once access is confirmed, use Google Photos search to locate images by people, place, object, or date. This leverages Google's ML tagging. If you need raw files, switch to cloud storage. List buckets with GSUDL ls or browse via Cloud Console, then filter by path, file name, or metadata. Make sure to combine search terms for precision. For example, month plus person name narrows results quickly. This dual approach, photos for visual search and cloud storage for file-level control, gives you flexibility. To finish, export or download the images you found. Use Google Takeout for bulk exports or Cloud Console/GSUDL CP for specific files. After download, verify file integrity by comparing timestamps and sizes and preview thumbnails to confirm content. If something's missing, check the photo's trash, confirm device sync settings, and ensure you're in the correct Google account. Also recheck IAM permissions for cloud storage. If access issues persist, re-authenticate and review shared album settings as a quick fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.